Ila Pranam and Deechak Namaskar to everyone and look forward to interacting with you.
How does the energy law empowers power company to influence making of rules and regulations?
So सबसे पहले इशू था ये कि I want to grow my power company. How can I grow my power company? जो आंसर आया, there are two ways of growth. One is organic, one is inorganic growth. All right. अब second issue ये आया कि whether I am doing inorganic growth, whether I am doing organic growth. In the both the cases, I have to deal with the government or state. अब स्टेट से डील करने के लिए चैलेंज ये है कि इंफॉर्मेशन एसिमेट्री को खत्म कर लिया हमने. लीगल ओपिनियन ले लिया उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में, लीगल ओपिनियन बना लिया उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में. वी नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द लॉ, व्हाट इज द पॉलिसी, व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड्स. ऑलराइट. लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है कि अब ये हमने जान तो लिया है व्हाट इज द लॉ, व्हाट इज द पॉलिसी, व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड. आई हैव इक्वल इंफॉर्मेशन, बट हाउ डू आई एंगेज विद द स्टेट? इज देयर अ मैकेनिज्म wherein I can engage with the state, influence the state so that policies are favorable to us? Even if they are not favorable to us, we are well, as a company, as a power company, we are well aware of the policies so that we are fully compliant. क्या उसका कोई रास्ता है? आंसर है उसका रास्ता है, और उसका रास्ता इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट में ही है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब तीन पार्ट्स होते हैं स्टेट के, गवर्नमेंट या स्टेट के तीन पार्ट्स होते हैं. तो एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेचर, जुडिशरी. सो हम स्टेट के फर्स्ट पार्ट गवर्नमेंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. एग्जीक्यूटिव को ये इंस्ट्रक्शन है अंडर सेक्शन 181 एंड सेक्शन 178 ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट दैट एवरी रूल और एवरी रेगुलेशन मेड by whether it is regulatory commission, whether it is the government, is subject to prior publication. That means any regulation if the regulatory commission makes, or any rule which the state government makes or central government makes, the draft will be published prior to enforcing that regulation or rule. And at that draft stage, they will invite your opinion and inputs. That is the time you have to go ahead and understand that draft law, draft regulation or draft rule, and give your opinion to the regulator or the government. And let me tell you one thing, the government, if your suggestions are logical and useful, government will accept those suggestions. And regulators are also willing to accept those suggestions. So you have an opportunity to give suggestions in writing. You have the opportunity to, for regulatory commission में भी तो ऐसा होता है, they call you also. You can also request. You can request the regulatory commission, please give us opportunity of hearing. They will give you opportunity of hearing. Even जो parliamentary standing committee है वो भी hearing दे देती है कई बार. तो जब एक्ट बनता है, जो ड्राफ्ट एक्ट रिलीज होता है, तब भी आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. You can modify, you can influence the law making process. तो first method, and electricity act में भी provided है section 181, 178 prior publication wherein you can influence. So जब executive की बात होती है, you have to be proactive against reactive. And जब भी कोई draft rules and regulations निकले, ask your team to read those draft rules and regulations, and whatever is in your company's interest, give suggestions to the regulators and the government so that those laws are made and are favorable to your company. Number one. Secondly, let us assume you have missed the bus. So जब regulations और rules के draft आए थे, unfortunately your company did not notice it, and अब क्या करना है? उसके बाद भी रास्ता है. उसके बाद ये रास्ता है, every rule under the Electricity Act section 178, it is provided that every rule, every regulation will be laid before the legislature. So ऐसा नहीं है कि ड्राफ्ट रूल्स बन गए और फाइनल कर दिए रेगुलेटरी कमीशन ने या गवर्नमेंट ने रूल्स फाइनल कर दिए, सो देन इट इज एनफोर्स्ड. बिफोर एनफोर्समेंट it has to go to the parliament and 30 days it will be laid before the parliament. अगर state electricity regulatory commission ने बनाया है, then the regulations will be laid with before the Vidhan Sabha. At that time you can influence the legislature. So your company or your team can go and ask your MLA, member of parliament, कि सर ये जो regulation है, rule है, ये modify होना चाहिए या change होना चाहिए या pass नहीं होना चाहिए. Parliament and legislatures have full power to amend the rules and regulations and then give it back to the government or regulator. And whatever amendment has been done by legislature, it is final. Regulators को उसको enforce करना पड़ेगा. So second stage. Let us understand you have missed the bus in the second stage also. जब ड्राफ्ट बन रहा था गवर्नमेंट का और रेगुलेटर का, तब भी ओवरसाइट हो गई and you did not know this kind of draft is coming up or this kind of rule and regulation is coming up. जब लेजिस्लेचर पे गया तब भी you did not know. Now it has been enforced. Then is there a remedy? There is a third judicial remedy also available. So what you have to see in those rules and regulations, if you see there is inconsistency, so if it is inconsistent with the constitution or it is inconsistent with the act, then you can challenge it before the judicial authority. जो लॉ है, लॉ में 5 चीजें, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एक्ट, रूल्स, रेगुलेशन एंड नोटिफिकेशन, और ये 5 चीजें ना पिरामिड की तरह है. सबसे ऊपर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेवल पे एक्ट है, थर्ड लेवल पे रूल्स हैं, फोर्थ लेवल पे रेगुलेशंस एंड फिफ्थ लेवल पे नोटिफिकेशंस है. तो नोटिफिकेशंस अगर कोई भी रिलीज करा है, if the notification is inconsistent with rules, regulations, act and constitution, it is ultra vires, invalid. You can challenge it before the judicial authority. If any regulation made by the regulator is inconsistent with rules, act or constitution, then also it can be declared ultra vires by judiciary. It can be challenged before the judiciary. Next is rule. Agar rule inconsistent है act से और constitution, then also it can be challenged. In case of act, if it is inconsistent with the constitution, then also it can be challenged before the judicial authority. So third method of dealing with the state or influencing the state is judiciary. So all 3 methods we have understood. So if you have that legal opinion in place, your information and state's information are equal, there is no information asymmetry. In the second stage, you can do advocacy. This is also called advocacy. So stage 1 advocacy होती है एग्जीक्यूटिव के साथ, जब ड्राफ्ट स्टेज पे होता है. स्टेज 2 एडवोकेसी होती है लेजिस्लेचर के साथ, एंड स्टेज 3 एडवोकेसी होती है जुडिशरी के साथ. गो अहेड विद द परचेज.